Hi, my name is Trami. I'm with Chopsticks Alley, and we are excited to launch our new program called Conscious Alley, where we will share with you meditation and also vegetarian foods.
Hello, I am Dr. Smita Garg of the Kinder Way Healing Services. I invite you to join us every Wednesday for Conscious Alley, a midday meditation break. Chopstick Alley's weekly meditations will help you get through your week with calm and ease.
True to Chopsticks Alley form, we have partnered up with Veggielution. We will bring to you a vegetable of the week and, of course, a wonderful recipe to share with your family.
Hi, my name is Matthew Mulcio, and I am the owner, designer, and creative director at Katra. In the beginning, I was a little apprehensive about the benefits of short meditations, but rest assured, these veggie medi breaks are for everyone. My journey in meditation began about 5 years ago, with just a few minutes a day, and has slowly evolved, and also being able to create space where we can be at peace with whatever comes up, and know that there is no right or wrong. The meditation practice will evolve. You will experience things from emotions to pain points, and to be able to sit with that and find peace and be present to them, I feel the only way we could heal is to feel.
We look forward to having you join us this Wednesday at 12:15 p.m. California time for a half-hour respite. So see you soon.